friends, Running Kimono here, and I take no delight in making this video, but just looking at what's going on right now, I just thought I would be transparent and just throw everything on the table, eyes wide open, of what's happening this Black Friday over at the three pharmacies. This is a haul that I did, gosh, back in 2017, and over the years it's gotten smaller and smaller. But, a couple pharmacies, such as Rite Aid, would always come in clutch, and you would always get like a table about this full the last 5, 6 years. It's always been like this on Black Friday at the pharmacies. You could just put it into a meme. It's this one, and I know you guys have seen it all over TikTok and Instagram. The girl dancing because she's so excited to get her big stack of pancakes over at IHOP, and there's a person glaring in the background like, ugh. And it's kind of like we're the girl dancing, and the lady in the background is like the pharmacy ads giving us absolutely nothing. Like, we're so joyful and ready for Black Friday at the pharmacies, but it's not happening. The last 10 plus years, Rite Aid's always had a good amount of freebies, probably anywhere between 6 to 12. CVS as well, and I have not seen CVS's Black Friday ad. It might be spectacular. Haven't seen it, but I know in the last couple years it's been, if it was 10 freebies and now it's 5, and they've just been kind of pecking away less and less. And Walgreens, I don't know why they don't really give anything out for Black Friday. They do stuff with the toys like buy two, get two for free, but these freebies that we can really, do something with, like at Rite Aid and CVS, it's just a non-thing over at Walgreens. The last time they did a really good freebie was back in, I would say 2014. That was the last one, or 13 or 14. And there was like 5 or 6 freebies, but they haven't done it since. And they would get a lot more traffic in the door, especially from couponers if they did it, but they have since pulled it. On the weekend of Black Friday, they have, I think, free Scunci hair ties. That's the only freebie over at Rite Aid. And then earlier in the week for 4 days, they have free soda as well. So that's 2 freebies over 2 different flyers. But the flyer itself, nothing too spectacular. And this is courtesy of iHeart Rite Aid, that website. It's just not what it was. So it went from 6 last year with the potential for a lot of deals to this. So every week when I really haul a lot of stuff on social media or even here on YouTube, especially over on Instagram, I'm always telling you guys, like, weeks where it's really good. Like, these are not Black Friday weeks, but you'd think it's Black Friday with the hauling that I've been doing. Make it happen, guys, because we do not know how longer Rite Aid's going to be around and, like, what's happening over there. It just seems like it's not good. And I'm only waiting for the other shoe to drop where my stores are probably going to start closing around here. That's a really sad one. So I'm going to try and stock up of as much stuff as I possibly can. And when I have the opportunity to do these big bonanza hauls, you pounce on it, you move on it. You don't wait. You don't say, oh, whatever. Make it happen. Offering us 2 freebies during Black Friday. I think writing's on the wall over there. Something's wrong, and obviously with all these store closures, they're probably focused more on managing the stores than giving a really great Black Friday to get more traffic in the door. I think they should have focused on that. But hey, whatever. If you see really great deals at Rite Aid, pounce on them right away, even a non-Black Friday week, because I don't know how much longer this is going to last. And I always say that, but I really think, 5 years from now, this is going to be a different discussion. Now, once the CVS and Walgreens flyers are published, and the Rite Aid ad that is usually the most generous was leaked, and the only freebie that I saw was the Scunci and the pop. So, like, that's not a lot. Once the other two are published, we can really see what kind of Black Friday week we're going to have at the pharmacies. I think it's going to be very chintzy, very little freebies, and non-Black Friday weeks are better, like the last photos I showed you. I really think moving forward this holiday season, take a good inventory of what is in your stockpile. And if you are a reseller, I probably would resell less. What are you getting less? What are they not offering that's freebies? What's lessen your coupon game. Because if you resell everything for next to nothing and it's an item you can't get with couponing anymore, you're going to have to go and pay full price for said item. I know a lot of us extreme couponers, it's nothing for us to put together these beautiful baskets for family and friends, or you give all your coworkers the free toothpaste and this and that. And I know a lot of us can do that without batting an eyelash. But if the toothpaste deals are less and less in your specific area, if you're a CVS shopper, for example, like, can you mathematically give everybody, like, 10 tubes of toothpaste? The answer to that might be no this year. So give what you can. And if you have to scale back this year because you're getting less of these freebies, definitely do an inventory before you sell yourself short and have to go to the store and buy yourself some Crest. And I just really think the writing's on the wall this year, guys. There's going to be less freebies this Black Friday. The Walgreens flyer and the CVS flyer, I'm not expecting much from it. And if the Rite Aid flyer was any sort of a prediction, it's going to be a very small Black Friday for us. Black Friday isn't going to happen at one of the pharmacies. It's going to happen at both Walmart and Kohl's. Both of them publish spectacular Black Friday previews. And then weeks leading up to it, both stores have sales. This is Walmart's that's going to be starting next Wednesday. $35 Keurigs, $148 televisions, $69 AirPods. It's no mystery where I'm going to be shopping. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. And if you want to watch my Walmart preview, it's right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.